1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3.
Hello, it's homework time.
Alrighty, so for homework today, you have the multiplication worksheet. Our success criteria is I can use the standard algorithm to multiply two-digit numbers. A two-digit number has a number in the ones place and a number in the tens place. So with you, I'm going to do D, E, F. We already did A, B, C. I'm going to do D, E, F on the video.
Pardon the interruption at this time.
And
if
then
you borrowed a Chromebook or headphones, it's now time to return it to the main office. Once again, if you borrowed a Chromebook or headphones, it's now time to return it to the main
Did you?
office.
Oh, you got it. And then we'll do G, H, I, J. You'll do that for homework on your own. And K. I'll get you started with the word problem. But we're going to switch it up a little bit. And Kim, what's the secret word of the day?
Macaroni.
Macaroni. Love it. Bye-bye. Oh, get your coat. Your coat. Your word of the day is macaroni. We're going to start it early. I might add on to this, so keep watching. You can't stop now. Okay, but you want those 3 anyway, right? So you're going to keep watching. You're going to keep watching. Okay. So we're going to keep going with our little mnemonic device. Many zoos, many animals. Multiply, 0, multiply, add. And those are the steps we will follow. Okay. Get a pencil out and let's go. 78 times 39. We always start with the bottom number. We multiply upward. And we first multiply in the ones place, and we multiply it with the top number in the ones place. So 9 times 8, and we're going to skip count by 9s 8 times. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. Stop, 72. The 2 is in the ones place. It goes down below. This pen kind of stinky. And we're going to carry the 7 up. 7 up. Yeah, this. Hey, K-Dog. I got K-Dog in the window. He's waving at me. So is my man Kason. Okay. Here we go. Pause 1 second. So, then we're going to go 9 times 7. And we're going to skip count by 9 7 times. Here we go. 9, 18, 27, 30, 6, 45, 56, 63. Stop. Then we're going to add 7. I'm going to put a 63, a 63 in my head and count up 7. So 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Oh my God, these pens are awful. All right, I need to switch it up. I need a good old Bic pen, the reliable Bic pen. Okay, so that's 702. Now look, I'm lining my numbers up. My ones place, my tens place, and this is my hundreds, okay? That's really important here. Okay, so I've added the 7. I'm done with it. I'm going to cross it out. And then my next step is 0. I'm going to place a 0 under the 2 because I'm now shifting, I'm scooching and working with the tens place, okay? So our first M, we multiply the ones place by the ones place by the tens place. Then our second M down here, we multiply from the tens place and to the ones place and to the tens place, okay? So next we're going to multiply 3 times 8. So we're going to skip count by 3, 8 times, or you could skip count by 8 3 times, okay? I'm just going to keep it consistent. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, stop. 4 at the bottom, 24. The 4 is in the ones place, and I carry the 2. Now, I'm glad that I X'd the 7 out, so I'm not confused. I know I'm just working with the 2. So I multiplied the 3 to the ones place, the 8. Now I'm going to multiply the 3 to the top tens place, the 7. So 3 times 7. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Stop. 21 plus 2. I'm going to put a 21 in my head and count up 2 times. 21, 22, 23. And I'm being super careful to line up. So I have my tens, my ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place. Whoa. Okay. Now I'm going to add it up, because that is my final step. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 3, I put a 7 in my head and I count up 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Comma, 3,042. Right, Dill Pickle? We got to remember our comma. Okay. And remember, if I went a little fast, what do? You rewind the video. You rewatch it. I'm moving over to E. Here we go. All right. I want you to think about the first step and what we're going to multiply first. Did you say we're going to multiply 3 times 8? I hope so. Let's hit it. 8, 16, 24. Stop. The 4 down below. Carry the 2. 8 times 6. 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. 48. Stop. 48 plus 2, 48, 49, 50. Making sure I'm lining up all my digits, all my place value. Okay, I'm going to cross the 2. I put a 0 down below. That's my next step. So I scooch over from the 8. Now I'm multiplying with the 4. I have to multiply 4 times the number above in the ones column. So 4 times 3. So we're going to skip count 4 3 times. 4, 8, 12. Stop. 12. The 2 down. Carry the 1. Next, so I multiplied by the ones place. Now I need to multiply to the tens place. 4 times 6, and then I'm going to add 1 after I skip count. By 4s, 6 times. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32. Oh, I went way too far. Sorry. 4 times 6. I can't remember the song. Why can't I? 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 12. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. 4 times 6. I'm going to skip count by 4 6 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Stop. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25. Again, I'm lining everything up because that makes it easier to add, right? Remember, place value is important. A 5 in the hundreds place is worth 500. A 5 in the tens place is worth 50. A 5 in the ones place is only worth 5. A 5 in the thousands place is worth 5,000. So it's very important that we stack our numbers. So 4, 2, 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3,024. All right, let's scooch it on over to the last one. Here we go. So on F. 59 times 96. And remember, the answers to our multiplication problems, do we remember what it is? It starts with a P. Product. The product. That is the answer. And the numbers that we multiply are our factors, okay? So let's hit it. So we have 6 times 9. So we're going to skip count by 6, 9 times. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, 48, 54. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy with this. I'm going wild. 6 times 9, I'm sorry. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, 48, 54. Stop. 54. 6 times 9 is 54. 4 down below. Carry the 5. 6 times 5. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Stop. And then 30 plus 5 is 35. I'm going to cross out this 5. I'm going to put the 0 because that's my next step. And I'm going to shimmy over to the 9. Oh, let's wait for it to focus. And I'm going to skip count by 9 times. Oh my goodness. What is this one? Take me out to the ball game. Okay. Here we go. 9. And I hope your fists are down. The camera's just super close. I hope your fists are closed. And as I skip count, you're skip counting with me. And you're lifting one finger at a time, okay? So we're going until we have 9 fingers up. Here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Stop. Whoa, 81. 1 down. The 8 goes on top. Now we have 9 times 5, and here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Stop. 9 times 5 is 45. Now I need to add, just put it on the floor. I need to add 5. Oh, hold on one sec. Thank you so much. No, it's okay. Thank you. All right. Okay, so let me start over again. So 9 times 5 is 45, and we're going to count up. We're going to add 8. So I'm going to start at 45 in my head and count up 8. So 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Woo! 53. Okay, now I'm going to start in my ones, and I'm going to add. Oh, thank gosh. I was like, oh my gosh, am I recording? Okay, starting in the ones. 4 times 0 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 3. 4, 5, 6. And a 5. 5,664 is the product of 59 times 96. Okay, now they're going to start dismissal. You're going to do these on your own.
At this time,
I'm going to set you up for this one, but before I do, I'm going to add on to our secret word. I'm going to add on, and I'm going to write salad, macaroni salad.
All JCC students can be dismissed at 3:10, and health club students can be dismissed at 3:10.
Macaroni
Once again,
salad.
all JCC students and health club students can be dismissed at 3:10.
Okay, so our word problem, we have a really short word problem here. We're not even going to use our cubes strategy because it's so short. How many seconds are there in 35 minutes? So there's only one number in this problem. What you have to know to solve this is how many seconds there are in a minute. Do you know how many seconds are in a minute? What do you think? How many seconds are in a minute? It's the same answer as how many minutes are in an hour. There are 60 seconds in a minute, just like there are 60 minutes in an hour. So our problem is going to be, our equation will be 60 times 35, okay? 60 seconds in a minute. If there's 35 minutes, you have to multiply by 60.
Computers cannot be dismissed at this time. All 5th grade walkers and computers cannot be dismissed, and all students with +7, +8, and mirror bus.
Okay. Or you can write 35 times 60. And then you're going to solve. And remember to label your answer with minutes. All right. It's time for one of my tutoring sessions. Good luck. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Do your best.